नमस्कार. Padma Shri Vijay Bhatkar sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Akshay Agrawal sir, His Holiness Swami Sarvasthanand ji, Mr. David Hamilton, Mr. Shailesh Patwari, other dignitaries on the dais, Director of this university, Principal of affiliated colleges, members of Dean Councils, invited guests, faculties, the press and media, industrialists of Naroda Industries Associations, and of course, my dear students. It's my great pleasure and honor to extend my warm and sincere welcome on behalf of Gujarat Technological University. On this memorable occasion, Sankul Day of this university is celebrating today. I am also highly obliged to all of for sparing your valuable and precious time to become a part of our historic events. This is a big encouragement for all of us and especially for our students of Vishwakarma and Innovation Councils. At this juncture, I take this opportunity to introduce our honorable guest, Padma Shri Vijay Bhatkar sir. Dr. Vijay Bhatkar is one of the most acclaimed and internationally acknowledged scientists of India. Dr. Vijay Bhatkar is presently the Chairman of Board of Governance of IIT Delhi, Chairman of ETH Research Lab, Founder, Chancellor and Chief Mentor of Multiversity, Chancellor of D.Y. Patil University, and National President of Vijnana Bharati, a people's science movement of over 6,000 scientists across the India. Swami Saraswatanand ji is the Adhyaksh of Ramakrishna Mission Rajkot, who played a critical role in GTU Innovation Council movement right from the beginning, and especially influenced a lot of young students in GTU. He also played a critical role in bringing projects like Contributory Personality Development Program, which has been immensely helpful to our ecosystem. Mr. David Hamilton is the Consulate General of Canada, who is taking relationship between India and Canada to a new heights. Mr. Shailesh Patwari, the President, Naroda Industries Association and great contributor to innovation movement at GTU Innovation Council. Recently, I discussed with him and I would like to share with you also that he is the person who built this Paryavaran Mandir on the hazard waste management. So GTU Innovation Council is the first large-scale innovation ecosystem which has tried to bring culture of innovation in scale and depth across the university and associated ecosystem in past 2 years. It has taken many policy initiatives to bring in ecosystem of innovation which have backed many national and international appreciations also. Council of Deans, Principals, Faculties, HODs, our affiliated colleges trustees and other stakeholders have put together a considerable amount of effort in making it happen under the visionary leadership of our Vice Chancellor Dr. Akshay Agrawal sir. The innovation ecosystem has been strengthened by making many efforts to foster innovation in products, process and policy level. These efforts have been noticed at all stages of individual and institutional level. A wide range of contributions have been obtained to appreciate the above efforts and to make the efforts really inclusive. GTU Innovation Council has decided to appreciate all such contributors at individual and institute level during GTU Innovation Sankul Day, that is today, 14 February. Sir, I would like to narrate some of the blinking achievements of our Innovation Council. So Innovation Council is the first university council of this size in any state having allocation of dedicated team and resource for innovative activities. We are putting resource support for taking IPR drive as a serious agenda. Very flexible and conducive process adopted to take GTU Innovation Council and its effort to a new heights. Making cluster approach of innovative efforts and creating 25 Sankul across the state of Gujarat for decentralizing innovation movement. Keeping students at the center of innovation strategy, large-scale relationship with local SME clusters, and sustaining the linkages of innovation, academia, and industries. We have a flexible approach for involving other public and associate organizations in further accelerating the innovation Sankuls. Trying to create interdisciplinary culture of innovation involving management, engineering, design, planning, and other stream also. Our first industrial Shodh Yatra was initiated by 31 students and 4 faculty of VGEC under GTU at GIDC Naroda itself. Within 6 months of these efforts has been taken in the year 2011 on 14 February today itself. These efforts got a Global Education Innovation Award to GTU Innovation Council. To mark the success and to make it historic, GTU declared 14th February as a Sankul Day, and today we are going to celebrate the second GTU Sankul Day. Today GTU is going to declare Pedagogical Innovation Award 2013, and active faculties Sankul authorities will be appreciated during today's event. Sir, I would like to categorize some of the characteristics to whom the students or particular industries or the faculty or the college has been taken in consideration. These are innovation improvements in pedagogy for better students' comprehension and student engagement, innovations, improvements in administrative futures, improving media outreach and creating awareness on innovation, new process and system development, new product, service, policy innovations, college which has contributed maximum number of IDP, UDP and SIPs, creating innovative incentive scheme to encourage innovations, innovative steps taken for promoting extracurricular activities like sports, culture activity and other efforts, innovative steps for skill development, entrepreneurship, capacity building of faculty, students and providing exposure. Sir, I would like to narrate one special characteristic of this award. We are considering the Glorious Failure Innovation Award. It means if anyone has made concrete and dedicated effort for bringing in innovation either in product or process or policy at his or her place but not succeeded significantly and feel that the effort is worth learning for others. For others, they can take, they can train, they can understood this philosophy. So we will award considering this aspect of award also. And last, individual efforts for making radical impact in existing inert ecosystem and bringing impact via innovative ways. Today, GTU also appreciate contributing student of Vishwakarma Yojana. by our chief guest, Mr. David Hamilton, Consulate General, Canada, and other dignitaries also in this occasion. Sir, Vishwakarma Yojana is one of the practical aspects with students. The students of engineering, management, architecture and diploma engineering students go in the field and take a practical training of making their education. With above facts of our university, I conclude my welcome speech, and once again, on behalf of Gujarat Technological University, I welcome all of you. Last but not least, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and spare your valuable time for attending this function. Thank you. Thank you.